What's up, y'all? This week has been full of crazy milestones, and I am so excited to share it with you guys because I want to inspire you to know that this can be you. This doesn't just have to be me. I did not go to college. I barely graduated high school. I am just a profitable trader that wants to help people. If you guys don't know, my name is Kalin Trades. I've been trading for about 3 years now. I've been through the hills and valleys of trading, highs and lows. Anyway, I ain't gonna wrap your head off. You saw the title of the video. Let's get into it. So if we jump right in here, this is how much I made on the platform. So I've been cooking all week. Literally, this is pretty much $10,000 back to back to back. And so I did a secret challenge for myself for if I could pass 10 at one time. I am not resetting anymore. If they move me live, it is what it is. The reason I don't like going live is because when I tried to go live with my funded futures, when I was racking in a whole bunch of money, I learned that you could only use like one contract. So I went through the rules of Tradify and Lucid of just what it looks like when you go live. It's not that bad. I actually saw somebody pull out like $10,000, a week. So I'm like, okay, all right, that ain't that bad. So we just gonna go for it. If they move us live, it's okay. We got a whole bunch of payouts with these guys, but anyway. So the trade that I caught was on the 15 second. It was with my secret sauce strategy. And essentially what I was doing was looking for a higher time frame push to be broken. And I actually was supposed to enter off of this guy right here, but I came late to the trade. So there is a rule in my trading where if I either miss a setup or if it pushes without me, that I can get in a couple times. You gotta take the course to know what the criteria is for us to chase price. But anyway, so I missed this setup right here, and I ended up trying to get in at another gap, and I saw that. Let me take it back just to show you guys exactly what was going through my mind. So on the 15 seconds, so this gap was hit right here, and what I realized was that price is getting ready to make a jump. It already crossed my higher time frame push. I was like, I gotta get in this thing. So I jumped in right here, and I was like, okay, if price fills this small little gap right here, then we'll be good to go. We'll be money. And what happened was crazy. It literally made that small gap right there, tagged me in, and shot all the way up. And I was able to pass the challenge by a hair, 16 cents over for the Tradify, and then $300 over for the rest of them. So it's really crazy how that was able to happen. So this is what it looks like when you pass all of the funded accounts. So we're gonna just do all of them at one time. So we're gonna do Tradify and we're gonna do Lucid. So I'm just gonna pull these guys up. So this is what it looks like. You got a whole bunch of funded accounts at one time. So it's really cool. So we're gonna activate the funded. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Last time I did this, I didn't do it live. I had to do a screen recording, but you can see that this thing is live. So we're gonna do daily on this one. And on the Lucid, we're going to do the 5 day. I think they only give you the 5 day, which is cool because they don't have a consistency rule with it. None of these have consistency rules. I really struggle with consistency rules. Like I'd rather have my own consistency rule versus somebody else telling me, what my consistency rule is. Anyway, after we do this, then we'll go through the email as well. So I believe this puts me at 500,000 funded, which we're almost there, guys. We're almost there. This one right here, there was an issue with the copy trading, and it blew this account specifically. I don't know why. I low-key want to contact support about it. I ain't gonna trip, but that was crazy and not cool. So I need to figure that one out. So we cooking on these prop firms. We going ham. I'm gonna pull up the email just to show you guys what it looks like. And it's really cool. So this is what it looks like when you pass your evaluation with Tradify. It says that you pass, it's been activated. So it jumps you in directly. So you'll get 5 of these emails when you pass 5 at a time. And I can literally trade right now. The market is still open. I could trade right now. I'm not going to. I'm gonna enjoy the fact that I was able to pass these in 3 days. And then this one is Lucid right here. So it just shows the, activation fast. I'm gonna block out all the information. You guys just see it just sends you 5 of those right there. So that's what Lucid looks like right there, just when you pass it. So let's go back to Trade Syncer. And this is a really good way for you guys to know how to just put your accounts back in. So you of course delete that. I got all the footage that I need, all the screenshots that I need right here, which is really cool. So I'm gonna add the connection, go to Tradify, and then this is gonna be, we're gonna call this Tradify funded. So we'll do that, put in our information, of course block that out. Boom. And then so it's loading right here. So this is just pretty much what you do. You just wait for it to load. What I needed to do every single time is enable the account. I have to enable the account at all times. I actually got tripped up earlier this week where I made 2,000 instead of 10,000 on the funded account. Like when I was actually funded in the midst of getting payouts. And so it jacked me up a little bit, but we recovered, got a good payout with it. And I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and reset before they move me to live, because I want to see if I could do something real quick. So we're gonna add a connection right here. So this is Lucid funded, Lucid funded. I told y'all I ain't go to college. Lucid funded. So it takes us there, and then it puts us through the credentials right here, and then you put your username. Of course, we're gonna block that out, and it loads up for Tradify for you, does all the stuff for you, and then it brings all of your accounts together, which is so cool. So remember, of course, you want to activate all of that. So it starts you back over, you enable all accounts. So what I typically do to set a leader, I will go into Trading View and I'll log in with one account. I like to have Tradify be the leader, because what happens is with Lucid, it gets really wonky with copy trading, and you could make like $100 more or $100 less on one. And I don't got time for that. If my TP was set to making $1,000, it needs to be $1,000, of course, minus the commission and all that, but it needs to be $1,000, not 900 or 880. It needs to be what I said it needs to be. So the way that you actually bypass that is having the other platform be the leader. So I'll set a leader. So these are all the funded accounts right here. So what I typically do is I'll sign in, right? I don't want to do it right now, but because I trade from my phone. So typically what I do is I'll sign in on the Tradify, and then the one that's at the top, that's the one that I'm using to be the leader, and all the other ones will copy trade. I actually have a video of where I talked about how to actually copy trade correctly. You don't want to trade all of these accounts at once all the time. You only do them when the market is like really, really moving. You don't want to do that, because if you blow one account, you blow all the accounts. So if I blow one account on here, then I blow all of them. And we're not blowing accounts this year. We're not doing that. So unless we're doing it intentionally so that they don't move us live. So if I don't get a payout and they move me live, is because they figured out that I finessed it. Because my funder features never figured out that that was my finesse. So anyway, we'll see. I don't know why I'm putting this in the video, but we'll see. We'll see if they figure that part out. But yeah, so that's essentially what it looks like. Hey, if this video inspired you or encouraged you at all, please like, comment, subscribe. Show your boy some love. I love trading. I love what I'm able to do. My Discord community is crushing it. Matter of fact, I want to show you guys something real quick. So my Discord community, right? First of all, we had 2,600 members. I'm trying to get to 10,000 in that thing, but you know what I'm saying? We ain't gonna rush it. We ain't gonna rush it. But we've had a lot of people pass challenges and get payouts. It is really crazy. There is 2 specific ones that I wanted to share. We had 2 people in our Discord get their first payout using the system, the methods, the indicator, all of that stuff. And I'm going to scroll and try to find it. Anytime I try to zoom or scroll up on Discord, it always does that. But bro, look at this. First payout ever, 8 evals passed, 7 busted, 1 payout. Only payout from now on. That is crazy. So I saw that one, and then I saw that somebody else had posted. Look at all these people. Somebody said first payout ever. I feel like the shift is happening in real time. I'm so grateful. It's crazy. Somebody else got a payout. It's official. First payout ever. We have people in our Discord getting payouts. It's insane. I remember when I first started trading, in my mind, I was like, I just want to help people figure this thing out. And that was my prayer when I first started. God, if you show me how to trade, if you can help me be profitable, I want to help people. And God answered that prayer, and people getting payout, people getting funded. it's really, really insane that I'm able to help people. There was another person that got a payout too this week, and I can't find it right now, but I did post it on my Instagram, and I posted it on my threads, and I posted it here on YouTube. But yeah, I can't find it right now, guys. I'm sorry, but you see all these people passing, low-key flexing. But anyway, y'all be blessed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all soon. Peace.